हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत है ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल वॉन्डरिंग देसी। In today's video, we'll be taking a casual stroll through the world-famous Waikiki beach area at night. So friends, as you can already see, the atmosphere is very energetic, lots of crowd. We were lucky enough to visit Honolulu during a time when it was the peak tourist season. So yes, we did encounter a lot of crowd, but then we also saw the livelier side of Honolulu. And while we are talking about the advantages of visiting Hawaii during the high season, let's also show you something जो हमें भी surprising लगा. We were walking on that street and on the other side of the street, बीच पे हमें दिखा कि एक live performance होने वाला है, which is the traditional hula dance of the Hawaiian Islands, and we were extremely lucky to be able to see this in person. We have dedicated an entire video on this hula dance in our Hawaii playlist, so if you have already seen that video or if you are planning to see that video, then feel free to skip ahead 2 minutes and then we'll continue on with our street tour. There is something very calming and soothing about the hula dance. It's almost like a therapy. उम्मीद करते हैं that you liked it. This is the main street of Waikiki, which runs parallel to the beach. This is lined up with various shops and restaurants and bars and nightclubs and also a lot of street performances. If your budget allows for it, we recommend staying in one of the hotels which is on the street. If not, then you can stay at a hotel which is 1 or 2 streets parallel to this but a little further north. All you will need to do is walk for about 5 minutes to come to the beach in that case. And this is one of the ABC stores. If you have watched one of our other videos, आपको ये बात पता होगा कि Hawaiian Islands पे ABC stores can be found almost everywhere. ऐसा possible ही नहीं है कि आप हवाई की किसी island पे आप walk कर रहे हैं और आपको ABC store ना दिखे. And I was really surprised to find a Tesla showroom in the middle of Waikiki. So far we've been walking on the main street in Waikiki, which is shown by the red street in this map, and it's called the Kalakua Avenue. And now we'll take a shortcut through a street market which is shown by the green color on this map to get to the other side, which is the Kuhio Avenue shown by the blue. And now this is the Kuhio Avenue, arguably the second most famous street in Waikiki. And the long line of people that you can see on the other side of the street, yes, those are the people waiting to get inside Murakami Udon Waikiki, a famous Japanese restaurant. We spotted what looked like a bustling food court, so we hopped in to take a look. If I wasn't full at this point, I would have definitely tried this Garma Garam hot chicken or one of the many other offerings here. And with that, friends, we come to an end of our walking tour of Waikiki at night. Hope you guys liked it, and if you can show us some support by liking this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. And if you can also consider sharing our videos, that would be a great help to us. And of course, please hit the bell notification so every single time we upload a video, you will get to know that something new is up. Thank you for your time and keep traveling.